Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Physiosaurus. So in today's video I'll be talking about branches of femoral artery. So basically there are 7 branches of femoral artery. I'll name them accordingly and then I'll show you the diagram how to draw femoral artery. Okay, so the first thing is, what is femoral artery, or basically I should say from where does femoral artery arise. Okay, so now femoral artery is basically a continuation of external iliac artery. Okay, it is a continuation of external iliac artery, and when external iliac artery passes from inguinal ligament, then it is known as femoral artery. Now we will talk about the branches of femoral artery. So there are all total 7 branches of femoral artery. I'll just name them. These are divided, those 7 branches are divided into 3 divisions. Okay, so the first is superficial, second is deep, and the third one is descending genicular artery. So the first one is superficial, and then it is deep, and then the third one is descending genicular artery. By the word itself, genicular suggests that it will supply to the knee joint. Okay, now I've already told you there are all total 7 branches. So there are 3 superficial branches, 3 deep branches, and the one itself is descending genicular artery. Now I will just name them, the branches of femoral artery. The first one is superficial branches. So the first branch, or the first superficial branch, is superficial external pudendal artery. Okay, the second one is superficial epigastric artery. So superficial epigastric artery. And the third one is superficial circumflex iliac artery. So superficial circumflex iliac artery. Okay, now we'll move on to the deep artery, or the deep branches of femoral artery. So the first one is muscular artery. Okay, the second one is deep external pudendal artery. And the third one is profunda femoris artery. Okay, so I have discussed all the 7 branches of femoral artery, 3 superficial, 3 deep, and the one descending genicular artery. Okay, now we will move on to the diagram part. Okay, so I've already told you femoral artery is a continuation of external iliac artery. So I'll just draw external iliac artery first. Okay, so this is suppose external iliac artery. Moving on to the diagram part, let's consider this the medial side and this the lateral side. Okay, now this is what? This is external iliac artery. External iliac artery, after passing from inguinal ligament. Okay, suppose this is the inguinal ligament. Now inguinal ligament lies between pubic tubercle and anterior superior iliac spine. Okay, so external iliac artery lies after passing through inguinal ligament, it forms femoral artery. So now I am drawing the femoral artery here. Okay, so external iliac artery, after passing through inguinal ligament, it forms the femoral artery. Now I'll draw the branches of femoral artery. I've already told you there are 7 branches, so I'll just draw the 7 branch. See, the one branch itself is here, second branch, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and the 7th one. Now I'll just name all of those branches. See, this one is your inguinal ligament, okay? This one is your external iliac artery, and now these rest are the branches of femoral artery. This artery which originates after inguinal ligament, this is your femoral artery, and these are the 7 branches of femoral artery. Okay, now I'll name the branches of femoral artery. This branch is known as descending genicular branch of femoral artery. Okay, now the rest 3 here. The first one is superficial epigastric artery. Okay, the second one is superficial external pudendal artery. The third one is deep external pudendal artery. Okay, so deep external pudendal artery. Now the rest 3 of the branches which is named, so the first one is superficial circumflex iliac artery. So it is superficial circumflex iliac artery. This branch is known as muscular artery, and the last branch is profunda femoris artery. Okay, profunda femoris artery. Again, one highlight here, this branch of femoral artery passes through adductor hiatus. Okay, adductor hiatus. Now I've named all of the 7 branches of femoral artery. See, the first one is here, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and the 7th or the last one. So this is basically all about your femoral artery. I have discussed the branches name and the diagram part. So thank you so much for watching this video. I have uploaded the same notes of femoral artery in my website. I'll just give the link in the description. Please check it out, and thank you so much.